Don't let marketing pressure turn you into a confused upgrader. Use what you have, learn what it can do, then upgrade when you're ready, not when they tell you to. Every month, there's a new phone, iPhone 17, Infinix Note 50, Tecno Spark 40 Pro, Itel S23, and you start looking at your phone like, God, when? But pause, before you start feeling broke, outdated, cursed, or start pricing your kidney just because you want to buy a new phone, let me tell you the truth. The problem isn't your phone, the problem is how you use it. Let's start with the obvious. You keep saying my phone is slow, but have you checked how many background apps are running at the same time? You've got Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and 6 abandoned games fighting for RAM space at the same time, like Lagos traffic. Nowadays, every Android and iPhone in 2025 now comes with optimization tools like the Phone Master, Device Care, or Smart Panel. But you know what? We just ignore them. Guys, clean your phone once in a week, clear trash, uninstall junk, and stop using light version of apps that still runs on full data. And you'll be shocked how fast your old phone can be after 10 minutes of cleanup. And to be honest, half of the lack of your device is caused by your habits, not the device itself. Or should we talk about the update syndrome? Some people scream, my phone doesn't get updates. But when update comes, what do? You skip it. Most of you tap, remind me later, like it's a flex. Android 14, iOS 18, iOS 14, XOS 14. All this update brings features that you will never use, like fixing bug, improving battery performance, and even adding new AIs. But guess what? You always tap, remind me later. Bro, sis, that update you keep skipping is your free performance boost ever. And I know some of you still running Android 12 in 2025 like it's a museum exhibit. Ha! So, before you start crying that your phone is outdated, go to settings, go to software updates, and update it now. Or do you want me to talk about how you see people posting cryptic pictures and you'll be like, hey, it's because they are using iPhone. Relax. Even your old phone can still perform magic under good lighting. 1. Learn how to clean your lens. Yes, this external one. Learn how to clean it. 2. Turn off that beauty mode. You're not butter. Leave all those beauty mode. Learn how to use pro features and tweak exposure, ISO, and focus. It's there in your phone. The truth is, an 8 megapixel shot in good lighting can beat a 108 megapixel one in darkness. Your phone isn't the problem, it's your angle. Just learn how to position yourself and snap good pictures. Now, let's talk about battery wahala. You blame the brand, but you've been charging your phone with that 500 naira cord that you bought at the bus stop or traffic. You know yourself. And also be playing PUBG on 2% battery while charging, brightness on 100%, Wi-Fi on, hotspot on, even Bluetooth all on. And then you say, battery don't spoil. How you know go spoil? Listen, charging habit kill more phone than bad battery. Use original charger, unplug when it's full, and stop scrolling TikTok overnight. Even a 4000 milliamp battery can feel like a power bank if you treat it right. And let me tell you these facts that no one will tell you. Tech is moving faster ever than your wallet will. Even if you're buying the latest model today, another one will drop next month, and another one another one will drop with extra camera and fancy names with AI version like X Ultra Turbo Edition. And you don't need to keep up. Half of these new AI features are just rebranded shortcut your phone already has. So instead of crying, God, when? Say, God, how can I use this my device better? At the end of the day, technology is supposed to make your life easier, not to make you feel less of yourself. Don't let marketing pressure turn you into a confused upgrader. Use what you have, learn what it can do, then upgrade when you're ready, not when they tell you to. So guys, that was it for this video. I know you all have your own thoughts, so please drop them in the comment section. Do give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, bye and bye.